Well, this is a big day. What we're promoting is powering on the solar panels right here at the Woodlawn fire station. And the significance of it is the county leading by example, making sure that our residents, our taxpayers see what we're doing with our own county facilities to not only save energy, save money, for residents of Fairfax County, but also taking a major step forward in addressing climate change and towards our goal in Fairfax County of climate neutrality.
3, 2, 1. Flip the switch. There you go.
Come on, son. Let's go.
This is going to be the first LEED Platinum building in the county inventory, which means it's designed for energy efficiency. It has a good energy efficient thermal envelope, good windows, good insulation, also has high efficiency heating and cooling equipment and high efficiency lighting. And of course the building controls are also working to keep energy use controlled. It wasn't difficult at all to do this solar installation. In fact, the Capital Facilities Division in the county that designs and contracts to build these, they specifically designed it to be solar ready.
Net zero by 2040 in all of our buildings. Half the way that we get to that goal is through energy savings, not using energy to begin with. In other words, saving money right off the top. The other half is to have what we're here to celebrate and to highlight today, which is solar panels and geothermal and other ways to utilize energy that doesn't emit greenhouse gas.
By this energy efficient and solar powered fire station, we're reducing carbon emissions, and this helps improve air quality, and it also helps reduce the risk of climate change for all Fairfax residents.
What was really easy is deciding this was the right thing to do, not just for the planet, but for Fairfax County, for the awesome men and women of the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department who literally live at this facility. And so it's important that we invest in them, invest in the planet, invest in the county, and really most importantly, lead by example.